What's up, you guys? This your girl Lady V coming back with another video, and in this video is my 1 month update in my apartment. So before you seen the clip of us moving in, there's really nothing in here. So this is a 1 month. Everything is not perfect. Gotta, sweep up a little bit, but I wanted to throw this video for my kids got home. So I'm standing in my doorway, and the first thing you see is my living room. So we're gonna start from over here. I just have this little seat little thing. Nobody sits over here because the chair is kind of broken. But so this is like just for decor. So I have this little black little stand. I mean not stand, little seating little area with some pillows. And then right here, I just have like a little side table that just has a pink tote bag. This is my card to do laundry in the apartment. I have a lady boss. This not supposed to be right here. So, just little decor. And then you come right here. I just have a sign, and then when my high school graduated, and then we did come with a fireplace. Then right here is my little couch. Just have some pillows, and my couch need to be clean. Don't come for me, but need to wipe down the couch. And then I have this little table that has some decor on it. Keep my ashtray for my incense. I have like a camera, dream big. This holds my phone, and then a little flower arrangement. And then back here, my son got something on this TV. I just got 2 pictures, and then a TV, and then a stand, and then a couple of pictures. And then back here, I have 2 pictures. And then when you walk into my kitchen, I have 2 pictures. And then I have like this little bar right here. Just one of my son's little honor roll thing, another son. So I always keep my stuff up. And then I have this bless this home little thing that my kids sit at when they eat dinner. And then have another right here. And right here, I just have my little table where my kids sit at when they eat. I just have a little salt and pepper shaker, and then another vase with flowers from Dollar Tree. Then I have 2 more pictures, and then right here, I just have my fridge and my microwave. And then you come right here, and this is like the coffee bar. Come into my kitchen. All right, so you come into my kitchen. I don't really have nothing on the counters because it's like a small kitchen. But I just have a little cup and some cutting boards and just, the dishes stuff. I did do this backsplash. I got it from Dollar Tree, and I need to finish. But that will be a project. So I can show y'all, like, this is kind of like the before and what I do to it after I actually get moved in good. But I have 2 little mittens, and then my fridge and my stove. And then right here is where all my utensils and knives and stuff. Y'all, I love these knives. I had got them for Black Friday at Walmart for $20. Leave a comment below if y'all got those knives, because your girl did. So we're gonna come out the kitchen, and we're going to walk into so this is like the guest bathroom / kids bathroom, and it is Paris theme. So this is what I got. Some decor on the wall, and the seat cover. Have this little stand that they keep their little hair stuff and stuff on. Then we got the shower curtain. We have another picture right here, and then some decorative towels. So let's walk. I'm not gonna show you my kids' room because I'm just not gonna show you my kids' room. But this is my bedroom. So I just have my purses that I normally use if my daughter not using them. I have an incense burning, needs to be cleaned up, but that's my little nightstand. And then I have my bed, And then a little stool that I use when I'm getting dressed for work, or my daughter use when she get ready for school. And this part right here is my business area, which I should be opening January 1st. I just need to take a mental break, but I'm coming back. So um we have like all my little business stuff, and I need to organize all of this stuff. And of course, when I start videoing, my kids want to do crazy stuff. But my daughter home now, so she left her drink right there. So excuse the drink, but this would be my little business area. And then I have my little TV. I already come into my bathroom. Nothing really major. Just have a couple of things of decor, some towels hanging, little decor right here, and then I have like a little stand, and then this is my shower. I really hope y'all enjoyed this quick little video of my apartment. Um, it's really just 1 month in. I have so many ideas for this apartment. So I hope y'all stay tuned. And into my next video, guys. Bye.